Namaste. Welcome to Swasth Indriya Lifestyle. This is Dr. Champavathi, ENT specialist. Today, let's know about almonds, a tiny dry fruit which is called as Vatada in Ayurveda, meaning that which pacifies Vata dosha. It is also called as Netra Ropa Phala, indicating it is good for our eyes. So when you hold this badam horizontally, doesn't it look like a closed eye? So it is good for our vision. The other benefits of almonds are it is an aphrodisiac, it gives strength, it is best nerve tonic, it boosts our immunity, it boosts our memory. It is used in many vata related disorders like paralysis, constipation, backache, different kinds of headaches, migraine. It increases the quality and quantity of sperm. It is used in bleeding disorders like nasal bleeding, menstrual bleeding, other bleeding disorders related with eyes like retinopathies. This almonds contain vitamin E, vitamin B, magnesium, calcium. It has phytosterols which will lower the cholesterol and helps in maintaining the body weight. It has antioxidative property and anti-carcinogenic properties. So how to use this badam? Just take some 5 badams, soak it overnight and consume it next day morning on an empty stomach, or you can mix it with your food. Why soaking? It is because if you eat badams without soaking, it would increase pitta in your body, and hence soaking will help in balancing all the 3 doshas. These almonds are very safe in pregnancy, lactation and even in children. But consuming more than 10 almonds are not said to be safe. They might cause constipation, bloating and nausea. Please do include this tiny dry fruit in your diet and get an amazing benefits of it. Please do consume 5 almonds every day. Thank you, and please do subscribe for our YouTube channel for more health related videos.